Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most powerful self-help books of our time, 12 Rules for Life by Dr. Jordan Peterson. This book is not just about success or motivation. It's about living a meaningful life in a world full of chaos, stress, and confusion. In this episode, I'll explain all 12 rules in slow, simple English. You can listen, repeat, and shadow along with me to improve your English naturally while learning deep life lessons. So sit back, relax, and let's begin. Rule 1. Stand up straight with your shoulders back. This rule is about confidence and strength. Jordan Peterson explains that even animals, like lobsters, have hierarchies. A strong lobster stands tall and fights for its place. When it wins, its brain chemistry changes. It becomes more confident. Humans are the same. When you stand tall, make eye contact, and keep your shoulders back, you send a signal to yourself and others. I am ready for life. I can face challenges. So, start every day by standing straight. It's a small action, but it changes your mindset. Rule 2. Treat yourself like someone you are responsible for helping. Imagine your best friend is sick. You would tell them to take their medicine, eat well, and rest. But when you are sick, do you take the same care of yourself? Most people don't. We criticize ourselves. We ignore our needs. Peterson says, you have a responsibility to take care of yourself. Be kind to yourself. You matter. Oh, Rule 3. Make friends with people who want the best for you. Your environment shapes your future. If you spend time with people who are lazy, negative, or jealous, you will become like them. But if you surround yourself with positive, honest, and hardworking people, you will grow. Real friends want to see you succeed. They celebrate your wins and help you when you fall. So, choose your friends wisely. Rule 4. Compare yourself to who you were yesterday, not to who someone else is today. In today's world, we see other people's lives on social media, their cars, houses, vacations, and we start to feel small. Peterson says, stop comparing your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. Look at yourself. Are you better than you were last week? Last year? If you make small improvements every day, your life will change completely. Oh, Rule 5. Do not let your children do anything that makes you dislike them. This rule is about parenting, but also about leadership. Children need discipline, structure, and love. If parents never say no, children grow up selfish and lost. Teaching kids boundaries helps them become confident, respectful adults. It's not about control, it's about guidance. Rule 6. Set your house in perfect order before you criticize the world. Before blaming others, or the government, or society, fix your own life. Is your room messy? Are you taking care of your body? Do you keep your promises? When your personal life is in order, you gain power and peace. You can't clean the world if you can't clean your room. Rule 7. Pursue what is meaningful, not what is easy. Life offers two paths, the easy path or the meaningful path. The easy path gives quick pleasure, social media, comfort, laziness. The meaningful path is harder, but it gives long-term happiness. Peterson says, don't chase happiness, chase meaning, because meaning gives life purpose. Or Rule 8, tell the truth, or at least don't lie. Lies destroy trust and peace. When you lie, you twist reality, and slowly, you lose yourself. Truth can be painful, but it sets you free. Start by being honest about small things, and your confidence will grow. Even if it's hard, tell the truth. It's a form of strength. Rule 9. Assume that the person you are listening to might know something you don't. We often think we are right, but everyone knows something we don't. When you listen with respect, you might learn something new. It also builds better relationships because people feel heard and valued. Remember, listening is not weakness, it's wisdom. Rule 10. Be precise in your speech. Words shape reality. If your speech is vague, your life becomes unclear. Say exactly what you mean. Don't say everything is bad. Instead, say, I feel tired because I didn't sleep enough. Clear language leads to clear thinking. Rule 11. Do not bother children when they are skateboarding. This rule means, don't stop people from taking healthy risks. When kids skateboard, they fall, they get up, and they learn courage. If we overprotect them, they become weak and afraid. Let people grow through challenge. Courage only develops when we face danger. Oh, Rule 12. Pet a cat when you encounter one on the street. This is a poetic rule. It means, even when life is painful, stop and notice the small, beautiful things. Pet a cat. Watch the sunset. Enjoy a quiet moment. Life is hard, but beauty is everywhere if you look for it. So, what's the main message of 12 Rules for Life? Life is full of suffering and chaos. But if you take responsibility, tell the truth, and look for meaning, you can create order and purpose. Stand tall. Take care of yourself. Speak honestly. Find beauty in small things. That's how you make life worth living. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this easy English summary, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more English learning videos with life lessons. You can listen again, shadow my voice, and practice pronunciation. It's one of the best ways to learn English naturally, through real ideas and stories. See you in the next video.